2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
This was so lame, but check this out. Potassium iodide breaks hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, and we get a huge foam, which is a lot better than the last one. This is a matzah. Let's try to start a fire with it. First of all, let's crash it. And now let's make manganese heptoxide, which is a really strong oxidizer. We'll mix potassium permanganate and sulfuric acid. And now let's see what happens. I love you guys, share this video and follow me for more. Here's a cool thing you have to try. Take a tea bag, cut it like this, and take out the stuff that looks like drugs. Open the bag like this and place it on a table. Now take a lighter and light the top of the bag. When it burns, the tea bag becomes lighter than the air and it just flies away. 3, 2, 1. Don't do this is boring. Do this instead. This is potassium iodide and hydrogen peroxide. My plan was to get these balloons filled with foam and eventually pop. But sometimes things don't go as planned and the first one popped immediately. I wanted to give up and restart everything, but suddenly the red one started filling up. The balloons contain potassium iodide, which breaks hydrogen peroxide and creates foam with the soap. I don't know what happened, but the Ki from the blue one fell into the hydrogen peroxide and started a reaction. This is phenolphthalein, a pH indicator. When the pH is basic, its color is pink. And when the pH goes back down, it becomes clear again. Also, if you see this on your For You page, please let me know and follow me to see crazy experiments. This is butane. Some people use it to fill up their lighters, but I use it for something else. You can't do it at home because it's dangerous. This is water and this is liquid soap. Butane is a flammable gas and it creates bubbles with the soap. Also, if you see this on your For You page, please let me know and follow me to see crazy experiments. Ah! I'm just kidding, nothing happened. But don't try it at home. What would you do if you forgot the oil on the stove and a fire started? Would you just pour it into water? Well, this is what would happen. The oil splashes everywhere and causes a huge fire, which can kill you. This is what happens when you pour liquid nitrogen on a balloon. The gas inside the balloon turns into liquid and solid, and it shrinks. When you take it out, the liquid turns back into gas, and the balloon grows. You guys don't want to touch this. Trust me. This container has sodium in it. The sodium is kept in oil because it can react with the water in the air. It's also pretty soft, so let's cut a piece of it. In a beaker, let's put water and phenolphthalein, a pH indicator. Sodium reacts with water, creates hydrogen and sodium hydroxide, and explodes. Light a piece of paper on fire and put it in some kind of a container. Now take a hard-boiled egg and put it on top of the container. The fire eventually creates a partial vacuum inside the container and the air outside pushes the egg in. Did you know I can bring animals back to life? This is a dead fly I found. Now let's try to bring it back to life. It's pretty simple. You just take a fly and you put it in the fridge for about a minute. What happens is its body temperature drops, it moves slower, and it basically just falls asleep. When you take it out, it warms up and eventually wakes up. Share this video and follow me for more.